Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Sentra, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your eco mode. So with the vehicle turned on, which this is, we'll look to the side here and you'll see this eco button. So push it once to turn it on and again to turn it off. And when it's on, you'll see on the dash this eco lit up here. And basically what that does is it's a way to indicate to your transmission and motor for the computer to help it regulate gas consumption lower. So basically a way to save gas slightly the way you drive. The drawback is that you might have slower accelerations, slower shifting, things like that. Just as, you know, that's the way you save gas as you go. So a little bit slower from 0 to 60, but might be worth it to save at the pump. And then again, like I mentioned, if you want this to go away, you just push this again and it turns off. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.